Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to raise LG service request. So, in my home, my AC is heavy noise is coming from the indoor unit. So, previously also, last 2 years back, same issue is happened. That time, technician is visited. I have raised online request. Technician is visited and is open the indoor unit and verified it is one bus will be damaged, like buses look like this is the bus. So same issue is coming again. So I think this bus is damaged. So I am decided to raise service request. Same process for the, like, if any not cooling, low cooling, noise problem, and some dust cleaning, this kind of same process we need to select. In list of options will be there, we need to select. So for all issues like no cooling, less cooling, dust cleaning, noise problems, same process. So I will show. First we need to type LGAC service request. LGAC service request. So after that, LG call apartment support, appointment support. This I will provide this link in description of this video. LG call appointment support, right? Call appointment. First here we need to enter the model number in your, like, AC, TV. If you are buy any product, some this kind of will be there stars. So model number PS-Q19. This is the model number. Like, it is a it is a model number. This is the model number we need to enter. So PS-Q19, capital letters, PS-Q19. So next, RNZE, RNZE. This is the my AC. The AA converter 6 in 5, 6 in 1, 5 star, 1.5 tons antivirus protection. This is the AC. Next, issue. We need to select the issue details. See, OBS, cooling, heating, digital display error, power, shortcut, leakage, noise, vibrating. These are the issues. So my issue is the, see, so many issues are there. Based on your issue type, you can select, or you can select anyone in any issue. And once our technician visited, technician before visiting technician, he will call like that morning. So today is the visiting, they will call morning, ask what is the issue, like that you can explain. So installation, connection, like that. So my issue is noise vibration. So it is asking indoor or outdoor. It is indoor. Noise when indoor. Unit is off no during the operation. This is the during the operation. Well, after on the, but AC, it is heavy noise. Click for solution. So select first one. It is giving some suggestions. LGAC conditioner noise all in one window. Close this. This is not required. It is giving some suggestions. Symptoms for solution. Like, based on we can try to solve. Like, this is some suggestions kind of. Ignore this part. Next, reservation date. When you want to book, I think, which day. So today is the fifth, right? I want sixth. tomorrow time is showing change to otherwise 7 time I'm setting to 10 to 11. Next, see fourth contact information. First one your purchase, your product choose your product symptoms, noise problem, your preferred date and time. So I have not sign in. Sign in I think not required. Let's see what will happen. Post name. So post name, my phone number, my mobile number. So my details I am entered. Symptoms. So the attachments are not required. It is optional. Message. Indoor bus is damaged due to heavy noise coming from indoor. So I have read and understand the terms and agreement something. Next, so call apartment review. Submit. We need to submit. Yes, submit my request. No edit my request. Yes, submit my request. So your request has been submitted. So see here, this is the receipt number. Receipt number, request type, request date, customer name, model number, symptoms, appointment date, message. So now return to repair request. So this way too we can raise the request. So we are raised that request. Let's check. So I want to track as well that request that I will show. So otherwise you can type auto track LGAC request. It will give some option. First you can click this one. First one, repair request there, right? Scroll down. This is the receipt number. So phone number. You can enter your phone number like this. Track repair. So it will give what is the status. So just now I am created, right? So there is no progress. Receipt progress completed cancelled. So you can find out here. So in this video we have successfully understand how to raise LGSC service request. Thank you for watching. For more videos please subscribe to this YouTube channel.